We already know the usefulness of cinnamon powder. We know that cinnamon is used in attracting wealth, and that is what we will be using cinnamon to do on this particular video. How you can use cinnamon to attract wealth, to attract prosperity, to attract abundance, to attract love, to attract favor. Using cinnamon to attract richness on today's video. So if you are just joining us for the very first time, you need to watch this video to the end, because I am going to tell you how you can become a first millionaire in your family by attracting money with cinnamon. Cinnamon has the power of attraction. It attracts love, it attracts favor, open doors, and prosperities. On this recipe, we are going to be using cinnamon, sea salt, and honey in order to attract money. Yes. And if this is your first time of joining us, if this is your first time of coming in contact with this face, my face, you are highly welcome. I really appreciate you for being here. My name is Brother Chima, and I am a spiritualist. And on this channel, we share spiritual tips, spiritual recipes, spiritual messages, messages that will draw you closer to God, messages that will help you to defeat your enemy, messages that will help you solve your life issues and torment, using the power of the Almighty God, the power of the universe, and the power of my ancestors in manifesting our spiritual tips on here, using natural ingredients, natural materials, natural herbs, natural roots, natural resources that God in heaven has created, harnessing their spiritual energies, vibrations, frequencies in solving our spiritual problems on here. And if you are just joining us for the very first time, you are just coming in contact with this face for the very first time, you need to become a bona fide member of this channel by subscribing to the red button down below this video on your right hand side. Turn the notification bell to all so that whenever I post a video like this, you will get a notification. Give me a thumbs up on my videos and comment on the comment section. If there's any suggestion you have to make on this channel to move forward, don't hesitate to put it on the comment section. And if you have done any of our spiritual tips on here and receive a testimony from God and the universe, don't hesitate to put it on the comment section. And for you, my bona fide subscribers, my bona fide viewers, my old and new subscribers, you know who you are. My backbone, my day one gang, those that has been supporting me, both in money and kind, those that has been patronizing me, buying my spiritual materials. And I pray for you that it shall be well with you. Whatsoever that made you to come into this channel, to come across this channel, to come in contact with this faith, God is going to grant it unto you, and so shall it be. On today's power path information or recipe or spiritual messages, as it is titled, yes, on how you can become the first billionaire in your house using natural ingredients in achieving that. I'm not talking about any other ingredient than cinnamon powder. Cinnamon has the ability and the spiritual energy of attraction. It has the spiritual energy to repair evil repellers in our life. It has the spiritual energy to drive away negativities from our environment. But today, we are talking about how you can use cinnamon powder to attract huge amount of money, to attract prosperity, using cinnamon powder, sea salt, honey, and your currency. I don't know where you are watching me from, any currency of the country where you are watching me from. I am using 500 naira note, but you have to use a big denomination of the currency of where you are staying. But I'm using 500 for this. How are you going to do this? You are going to bring a bucket like this. and add water to it. Add a little water to it. You have to add a little water to it. Yes. And you add your cinnamon powder inside the water. I am coming. I wish I could show you guys this. I don't know how to turn the video. You turn your cinnamon powder inside the water that you have turned in the bucket, and you turn it with your 5 fingers. Turn it right. You are doing this to attract money, to attract huge amount of money in your account. Turn it around 5 times with your 5 fingers. Then you get the sea salt, and you pour a little bit of sea salt inside the water that you are preparing. Allow it to settle down. You will turn the water with your 5 fingers again. Then you get your honey, and you put a little bit of honey inside the water. You also turn it with your 5 fingers. On this recipe, your 5 finger is what you are going to use, because you use your 5 finger to count money. After turning it this way with your 5 fingers, you have put the cinnamon powder inside the water, and you have add sea salt, and you have add your honey. Honey also has the power, the spiritual energy, the vibration energy, the spiritual power of attraction. So you have on it, turn it 5 times. Then you keep the water and allow it to settle down. You bring your currency, high denomination of the currency where you are staying. I am using 500 naira note because it's the second currency we have. We have our highest denomination is 1,000, but I don't have 1,000. That's why I'm using 500. You will use this 500 to attract huge amount of money, to become a billionaire with cinnamon powder, honey, and sea salt. But before I go in to tell you what you are going to use this money to do with the water that you have prepared, I would like to introduce my product a little bit, because it's called Walk and Chop. If you are just joining us for the very first time, my name is Brother Chima, and I am a spiritualist. And on this channel, I share spiritual tips. On this particular channel, we have our spiritual materials that are locally made and spiritually charged by this hand. And a lot of people has been buying it, and they have been testifying of what God is using my spiritual materials to do, of how God is using me to deliver people and to set the captive free, and to make those who has lost hope to regain their hope. On this channel, we have our spiritual materials for sale. We have the road opening soap. We have the back to sender soap. We have the crowd please soap. We have the love and affectionate soap. We have the cleansing bait mixture. And we have the Equable Plus Detox, the anti-witchcraft poison dissolver. In case you are suffering from affliction of the devil, in case you are having spiritual attack, in case you have eaten something in the dream, the enemy have fed you in the dream, and since then it has become one sickness to the other. When you go to the hospital, the doctors are not diagnosing it anything. When they go, the doctors are not seeing anything. It is called spiritual poison. It is called spiritual etepete, and you need the Equable Plus Detox, the anti-witchcraft poison dissolver, in order to be free from that affliction of the devil, in order to be free from that moving object. All you need to do is to contact me on my number, on my WhatsApp number. Let us discuss on modalities on how I am going to get each and every of my product to your doorstep for you to receive liberation. Yes, let us discuss on modalities. My number is +234 708813 6610. That is my number. And if you have any spiritual problem that you need me to look into, you need us to join power together, to join faith together to solve that your spiritual problem, don't hesitate to call me on the phone. But remember, nothing is free, even in free time. As you do so, may God bless you. Now let us get to the bottom of today's spiritual recipe and remedy on how you can become a millionaire using cinnamon powder, water, honey, and sea salt to attract huge amount of money, to attract prosperity, to attract favor, to attract love, to attract contract, to attract new employment. Do this. When after mixing the water, you throw the currency inside of the water. That currency, you throw it inside of the water and you turn it 5 times. At the 5th one, bring it up. Now, watch me. At the 5th time, after turning the money, you bring it up. Then you use your 5 fingers and pick a little water from the bucket, from the plastic where you soak the money. You use your 5 fingers like this. You put inside the cinnamon powder again. You have taken the cinnamon powder. Look at my 5 fingers. Then you mark it on the money. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, which represent the 5 fingers. You wrap this money this way. Fold it nicely. Fold it. Fold it. Fold it this way. You begin to pass a decree that by the power, the spiritual energy that cinnamon possesses, the spiritual energy that honey possesses, the spiritual energy that sea salt possesses, that you acquire the spiritual energy of these natural ingredients and materials that God has made in order to attract a huge amount of money. Starting from today, reaching 7 days until the end of this month, anywhere you go, your pocket must be filled with money. Put this particular money inside your wallet, or inside your handbag, or inside your purse, or in that your container that you used to make sale, that you used to put your money. Add this to it. When this is inside your wallet or your purse or your bag, is going to attract more money. It will be attracting prosperity, open doors, showers of blessing. It will attract more money. More money will come. You are going to make millions if you follow the right way and do this recipe. After you are done with this, put it inside your purse and inside your bag. It's going to attract money for you. Then the water, this water that you have used, you are going to use it for cleansing. Yes, you don't need to add any other water to it. Use it and take your bath from your head to toe, no matter how little it is. Make sure it goes all over your body. Use it to rub all over your body. Go and try this recipe. After using this water, allow it to dry on your body. And this particular recipe, you can only do it early in the morning before you go out to start your day. Do it before you go out to your business places. Don't forget you have to use this water to take your bath for cleansing in order to get a quick answer to your request to the universe. Yes, go and try this out and come back with your testimony. It works perfectly. Become the first millionaire in your father's household using cinnamon to attract richness and prosperity. I have come to the end of this video at this junction. If you have never subscribed to my channel yet, do me a favor, subscribe to the red button down below this video. Turn the notification bell to all so that whenever I post a video like this, you will get a notification. Like my videos and comment on the comment section. Feel free to ask me questions as I am open to communication. And if you need any of my spiritual materials, my spiritual product, don't hesitate to place your order. Call me on WhatsApp. Chat me up on WhatsApp. +2347088136610. That is my number on WhatsApp. Let us discuss on modality, how I can come in and help you with your spiritual problem, or how I can ship my spiritual materials for you. As you do this, may God bless you. I have come to the end of this video once again. Have a nice day. See you in my next video. Bye for now.